Bonjour. Today I am going to a small beach town. I was sick all day yesterday and I was just like cooked. Woke up every hour last night. Just got off the train. I am in Sete right now and we're just gonna be walking to my hostel, and like the city's kind of cool because there's islands, and actually I'm gonna be staying on one of the islands, and it's not like crazy but looks pretty similar to Venice, but we're gonna see how it actually is when we walk out of the train station. Damn, walking through here, I kind of feel like I could be here for a few days, not gonna lie. Seems like there's a local market going on right now with a bunch of stuff. So we're gonna see if I can get swim shorts here. This place literally feels like the most south of France city you could be at, okay? There's a dock and hella boats with the river going through the city. Technically, I'm on an island right now. I also just figured out my hostel's not on the island. It's just outside the island, just over there. I'm so tired. Oh my god, being sick is cooking me. I gotta go to the grocery store, pick up some things. I'm gonna be here for 3 nights, so I'm able to get some like actual proper food and not just some snacks. I was looking around and there's not really any like good, at least healthy, places to eat for restaurant wise, so I'm thinking just for now, like just for today, I'm just gonna be eating like at the hostel. Check-ins also isn't until 4, which is honestly the latest I've ever seen. Okay, so I budgeted to the T. I had 13 euros to spend, and I spent exactly 13. I got enough stuff for today, but you know, tomorrow's a new day, so I get kind of like resets every time. But some of the stuff I got was like good for today and tomorrow. I'm just gonna be at the hostel cooking, making food, because I am hungry and I need nutrients. So most likely tomorrow I'm gonna be like going out and exploring. And maybe the day after is when I would like go to the beach and whatnot. So I feel like that would be a good time. It is a new day and I'm feeling much better. I'm gonna be headed to a cafe. I'm gonna have like a little brunch. Yeah, it's actually not too far. And I have about 17 euros to spend today. What the hell is going on here? So I got a little pamphlet that basically just says, yeah, replace parking spaces with more trees. I fuck with that, I fuck with that. Damn, so the place I want to go is under construction, but we will find a new place. So I think this is like some sort of farmer's market around here, because there's just a lot of people. I'm gonna go look for some more cafes, because I'm trying to sit down, or some bakeries. So I got a baguette sandwich and some pastry. I don't know what. I just see some like apple slices on it though. They look really nice with like some glaze and cinnamon. So I'm just gonna find a place to sit down. I might go back to like that little rally, like the eco rally, and we're gonna figure it out. But in the meantime, we're just gonna be walking around. So it looks like it's tomatoes, chicken, and maybe some cheese. For the pastry. Okay, those pastries are pretty good, but I'm just going to figure out where else to go. I'm just gonna kind of be exploring the city. Okay, not gonna lie, I kind of forgot it gets like really sunny and the UV is really high, so I'm gonna go back to the hostel, put on some sunscreen, and then I'm gonna head back out to the city. Alright, I went to the grocery store and I might have spent about 3 euros over my budget, but it's like a range. It's like 80 Canadian to 100 Canadian a day. I aim for the 80, but you know, sometimes it lands on 100, which is no bueno, but is what it is. Oh, you gotta take your midday naps. Great. It was hot and it was just like, it was bright. No fun. Now I'm just gonna be exploring the docks, walking around, trying to get some extra food as well. I think that protest is over now, so I can walk down the street no problem. Give me a pamphlet in French and everything, and I don't understand it. Use Google Translate, understood it, understood what was going on. Honestly, the dock, not always the best place, especially if it's a little bit bigger than like other smaller docks. Definitely not it. Like, it's nice, but I'm going to the beach tomorrow, so that's gonna be nicer. So I'm just gonna go find a bakery and then I'm gonna get a baguette. I got cream cheese. I've had the cream cheese for a while, so I'm just gonna make a cream cheese sandwich. Baguettes in France are like 50 cents. I'll take that, you know. So I'm taking photos right now, and oh my god, this place is great. I got a shot. Kind of can't see it. I'm gonna put a photo of it right up, but it is insane. Honestly, I kind of like rotted in bed waiting for this time because this is the best time to go out and take photos. Anything else is like way too harsh, way too harsh. Can't really get any good photos. It's just gonna be like blown out. But here, you get the nice blues. Actually, really nice. I fuck with it. God, it's so weird in France how like everything kind of shuts at like 8:30. Because in Spain, you know, things don't really close till like 11 or like at earliest 10:30. So it's just kind of weird. Like 8:30, everything's just like shut down. Yo, this place is actually so beautiful. Oh my god. Like, I thought it was good during the day, but at sunset, this place is crazy. Oh my god, I am so surprised this is not on any itinerary anywhere online. Like, how do people not come here? Like, I understand it's like a small town, and actually the only reason I know about it was because I had to pass it to get to Montpellier. But it's like even just the infrastructure, like, yo, look, that's a room right there. I would not know if that's like a living room. I'd love to live there. Oh my god. Alrighty, so I'm back at my hostel, and I'm just gonna be cooking up some macaroni tonight. Same as I did last time, you know, it's kind of the ultimate budget hack. But basically, photos went great. I will be, you know, showing a few right now. I also don't think the fridge should be that hot. Alrighty, today I'm going to the beach and I am wearing flip-flops. So I'm wearing flip-flops and I'm walking about like 6-7 kilometers. I'm taking the bus back, but like walking to the beach, that's what I'm doing. Because well, might as well like enjoy the city and whatnot. Alright, so I was planning on going to the beach, but I am seeing these kids cliff jumping. So I might ask them if I could join. So let's go ask them. Alrighty, so I went to go ask them out, and je m'appelle Matthew.
Je m'appelle Jules.
M'appelle Jules. And there's two other guys, but one of them's kind of scared over there. I already did jump. These guys are what? 16, 18? No, 16.
16.
16?
16 16.
I gotta work on my French. But yeah, basically, there's cliff jumping here. And there's like just a main street just over there. There's some scuba divers. Yeah, you can kind of see them right there. I almost jumped on one, so I had to wait a bit. That's their little boat. But they're just jumping there. Oh, it seems that these aren't scuba divers, but they are. It looks like they're fishing for something. I don't know what, but kind of want to figure out. I see they do have like spikes and like poles and everything, so they're probably hunting for something. Maybe fish or just maybe some sea urchins would be pretty cool, but I don't know. I kind of want to find out. Yeah, look, small little boaty over there. It's kind of funny. Yeah, but let me tell you, if there's any way to get rid of like a stuffy nose, because I have been sick the past few days, definitely go cliff jumping. I've done it before. I'll do it again. It works every time. You come back and you feel perfectly fine. Your nose is just like gone. Mainly because you get water up your nose and like cleans it out. Alrighty, well, these motherfuckers. One of them is hella scared to jump. The other two aren't. The one in the blue shorts just over there is terrified. He's like, yo, how do you do it? Like, how do you just jump? I was like, I don't know, you just kind of jump. And that's the basics of cliff jumping. You kind of just jump. If you're really scared, you know, you go in a pencil, you plug your nose, you'll be fine. You don't jump like him. Yo, I think I found my little corner. This is about all the beach I get by myself. And I'm not gonna point the camera that way because there's about 2 or 3 people braless. Yeah, sucks for you. Put my bag there in the dark so no one can see. Might move it a little bit more inwards there in case I go swimming. Also, the water's freezing. It's so cold. Alright, let's move. Well, unfortunately, they did not have a smaller bottle because I need the cap. Because I think today's a beer cap day. I don't really see myself in France for too much longer. At least I don't plan on it. And I don't have a beer opener. So what you do is you grab a small rock. And I took the courtesy of finding one on this stone beach, and you kind of clench your fist like this, and then your first knuckle, you kind of get any object really, and you kind of just like pop it like that. Alright, we are going to see if a Coca-Cola bottle can open this beer. So, you got the hard plastic ledge. There you go. Beer cap collected.
Yeah, I'm gonna be honest. The French do not make good beers. Maybe wine, maybe champagne, maybe cheese. Not beers though. Oh my god, not good whatsoever. God, it's a pain trying to get through this.
Alrighty, I am leaving the beach now, and it's about a 30-minute walk back to the hostel. I'm just gonna chill, and honestly, today was a pretty good day. I've been here for like 5, maybe 6 hours, something like that. It's quite nice. Still not turning the other way. Still some topless people there, but anyways, let's get going. So this is what I'm having as a before dinner. Brie and bacon. Can't get more fish than that. Alrighty, well, I am leaving Sete. It was a nice, like, 4 days here. I really enjoyed it, honestly. Such an underrated city. I would definitely come here. It's south of France. Like, okay, it's a little bit more expensive than probably some other parts, but definitely recommended. I would definitely come here. It's like exactly what you're looking for in the south of France. Nice canal city. Like, that's an island right there, by the way. Lots of stores. Now, there's not many hostels. I stayed at George's hostel and cafe. It was the cheapest one, but it was still like 33 euros a night, so still a little bit more expensive than what I'm used to. So I did have a bit of a tighter budget here, but I may do. It's possible. Overall, I'd say Sete is an amazing city, and I would definitely come here. So now I'm off to Marseille, and I'm gonna be there for about 2 or 3 nights. So see you there. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you later.